Hello and welcome to TNV Academy. Today we are diving into the ISO 27034 certification process and the significant benefits it offers to organizations focused on application security. As software applications become increasingly essential to business operations, ensuring their security is critical. ISO 27034 provides a comprehensive framework to help organizations manage application security effectively. Let's begin by understanding how the certification process works. ISO 27034 certification process is Step 1, Gap Analysis. The first step in achieving ISO 27034 certification is conducting a gap analysis. This is where you assess your current application security practices and compare them to the standards set by ISO 27034. The goal is to identify gaps or areas where your organization's security measures may fall short. This analysis will help you create a roadmap for compliance with ISO 27034's application security guidelines. Step 2. Establishing an application security framework, ASF. Next, you will need to develop or enhance your organization's application security framework, ASF. The ASF is a key component of ISO 27034 as it outlines how security will be integrated into your application lifecycle. This includes security requirements, policies, and controls that are tailored to your organization's specific needs. Step 3. Implementing security controls. Once your ASF is in place, you'll begin implementing the required security controls. These controls can range from secure coding practices to vulnerability management and incident response processes. The goal is to ensure that every phase of your application lifecycle, from design to deployment, incorporates robust security measures. Step 4. Training and awareness. Another crucial part of the certification process is training and awareness. You will need to ensure that your development and security teams are well versed in ISO 27034 standards and have the necessary skills to implement security measures effectively. This also extends to raising awareness throughout the organization about the importance of application security. Step 5. Internal audit and evaluation. Before proceeding to certification, it's important to conduct an internal audit to evaluate the effectiveness of your application security controls. This internal audit should be aligned with ISO 27034's guidelines to ensure that all security measures are functioning as intended. Any issues found during the audit should be addressed before the external audit begins. Step 6. External audit and certification. The final step is the external audit conducted by a certified body. This audit evaluates whether your application security practices fully comply with ISO 27034 standards. If your organization meets the requirements, you will be awarded ISO 27034 certification. This certification is a testament to your organization's commitment to maintaining high standards in application security. Now let's talk about the benefits of obtaining ISO 27034 certification. Enhanced application security. The most obvious benefit of certification is a significant improvement in your organization's application security. By adhering to ISO 27034's structured approach, you can better protect your applications from vulnerabilities, data breaches, and cyber attacks. This leads to more secure applications and reduce risk. Competitive advantage in today's competitive market. Begin ISO 27034 certified can set you apart from your competitors. Customers and partners are increasingly looking for organizations that prioritize security. Certification demonstrates your organization's commitment to security, building trust, and giving you an edge in the marketplace. Regulatory compliance. ISO 27034 certification helps ensure that your application security practices align with global regulatory requirements and standards. Whether it's GDPR, HIPAA, or other data protection regulations, having a certified framework in place ensures that your organization is compliant with relevant laws and minimizes the risk of non-compliance penalties. Risk mitigation. By implementing ISO 27034, your organization can proactively identify and address application security risks. This risk mitigation approach reduces the likelihood of security incidents, helping you avoid the financial and reputational costs associated with breaches or attacks. Continuous improvement. ISO 27034 promotes continuous improvement in application security management. Through regular monitoring, audits, and updates to your application security framework, your organization can stay ahead of emerging threats and ensure that security measures remain up to date. Increased customer confidence. Finally, ISO 27034 certification boosts customer confidence. Clients are more likely to trust organizations that have certified application security practices. This trust can lead to stronger customer relationships, increased business opportunities, and long-term loyalty. In conclusion, ISO 27034 certification not only strengthens your organization's application security, but also offers numerous strategic benefits from competitive advantage to regulatory compliance. The certification process involves structured steps from conducting a gap analysis to implementing security controls and undergoing external audits. Ultimately, obtaining ISO 27034 certification positions your organization as a leader in application security, reducing risks and enhancing customer trust. Thank you for joining and watching us today, and remember, securing your applications is not just about technology. It's about taking a holistic approach to risk management, compliance, and continuous improvement. If you have any question related to this ISO, please feel free to ask, and if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.